right there.
I understand there's a game over at the Traymore.
Not if they hear you're coming.
In the mood, George?
Remus shuns gambling.
Look, another mummy.
My apologies, gentlemen. I trust you've been enjoying yourselves.
We're getting real friendly. Promise this year that stick it only halfway in. As I was saying, I'll do 500 cases a month of rum. Plus,
I need to stop you. I won't be selling you alcohol anymore. Things have changed.
How come?
It's not really your concern.
Exactly the kind of high-handed attitude that makes it...
I've got friends in politics, highly placed friends. As a favor to them, and for my own peace of mind, I prefer to simplify things.
Well, I got money, you got booze. What could be simpler than that?
But I sell to one buyer only. Effective immediately, I'll be exporting exclusively from Atlantic City to Mr. Rothstein. If you'd like, you can buy directly from him.
At a 50% markup.
Well, you could always buy from Brooklyn.
Beloved. Peg leg Lanigan.
Those patties won't sell to Italians.
Sorry, boys. New year, new rules.
Oh, see, that makes sense. Chink I know, runs a laundry. Tells me 23's the year of the pig.
This is a business decision, Mr. Rosetti.
I come all the way down here. Put up with car trouble.
We all got the same news.
Yeah, but we ain't all in the same fucking boat. I'm getting squeezed on all sides here by
Partially staged.
No, fuck you, Frank. Your fucking rat hole bar and your warehouse in Canarsie. I don't see you doing me any favors, amico. And you smug kike midget, creeping around like a fucking dentist with the ether.
Why don't you watch your fucking step?
Why don't you go sit in the corner, short pants? And then there's you. Fucking breadstick in a bow tie. You pasty-faced cocksucker.
You must be tired, Mr. Rosetti. That can make a man irritable. You need some rest.
I need 500 cases of rum.
You and your men. My guests at the Ritz.
You think I can't float my own hotel room?
I'm making a goodwill gesture. Accept it or not.
How about I make one, too?
You'll not do it here.
I'll shit you out like yesterday's sausage, you bog-trotting prick.
You're making my decision very easy.